Hello children, welcome back to Max Me Easy. Let's continue with rational numbers. Exercise 2B Part 5. Here is the fifth question. Arrange the given rational numbers in descending order. First, let's know what is descending order. Descending order is nothing but arranging them from big to small. That is descending order. So bigger numbers should be placed first and smaller should be placed next to it, right? So here they have given a three rational numbers and we need to find the arrange them as per the descending order. But here all the numerators and denominators are different, right? So how to arrange them? First, take the LCM of the numerator, that is 8, 16 and 12. Right? So when you take the LCM, you'll get some number, and with that LCM, help of that LCM, you should make the denominators equal. Right? All the denominators should be equal so that you can compare the numerators and make it easily. You can arrange it easily. So first step is to take LCM of 8, 16 and 12. So it becomes 48. How to take LCM of 8, 16 and 12 is just write 8, 16 and 12. Always start dividing it with the least number 2. 2 is divisible with uh, 8 and 16 and 12. All three are divisible with 2. So start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12. Again start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Again it divisible with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 you can write down as it is. Once again divided with 2. 2 1s are 2 and 3 you can write down as it is. Once again now divided with 3. 3 1s are 3. So first take the first rational number, that is 5 by 8, and make this denominator into 48. But here it's 8. So 8 should be multiplied with 6 to make it into 48. Just check the denominator. Don't check the numerator. Just the denominator should be checked first. So 5 6 is 30 and 8 6 are 48. Just write down the second rational number, that is 13 by minus 16. So to make the 16 into 48, you have to multiply it with 3. 16 3s is 48. 13 into 3 is 39. 16 into 3 is 48. Minus into plus is minus 48. Right? Just take the third one, that is minus 7 by 12. So it should be multiplied with 4. So that 12 is multiplied with 4 and you get 48. So you have to get this 48. To make this into 48, you have to multiply it with 4, right? 12 should be multiplied with 4. This is what we are doing. So minus into plus is minus. 7 4s are 28. 12 4s is 48. So just compare this three rational numbers. Let me write it separately. Here I have written all the three rational numbers, right? It is in the denominator. Minus is in the denominator. You can just place it in the numerator. That is minus 39 by 48. So it is very easy to compare this numerator part, that is 30 minus 39 and minus 28. So which number is the biggest? We all know that the positive number, 30 is having a positive number, so it is the biggest number. So 30 by 48 is greater than, next among these two, minus 39 and minus 28, which is the greatest number? 28 minus 28 is greater, right? So minus 28 by 48 and then minus 39 by 48. So what is this 30 by 48? We have changed it, right? So without changing it was 5 by 8. So just write 5 by 8 is greater than minus 7 by 12, greater than minus 13 by minus 16. I'm just replacing all the numbers with the original values, right? Let's Here is our second question. Even here the denominators are different. So our first thing is to make the denominators equal. For that, just take the LCM of 10, 30 and 12. In a rough work, you can do this kind of LCM method for finding the LCM. 10, 30 and 20. It is divisible with 2, right? So 2 5s are 10, 2 15s is 30, 2 10s is 20, right? So again start with 2 because 10 is divisible. Even though 5 and 15 is not divisible, just for 10 you have to divide it with 2. Write down 5 and 15 as it is. 2 5s is 10, right? Now 3 is divisible with 15. So always start with the least number. So you should do it with 3 itself. 5 you can write down as it is. 3 5s are 15. 5 you can write down as it is. Now again just write down 5 1s are 5. Now just multiply all these prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. It becomes 60. This is how we got this 60. Now we have to make the denominators equal. For that, just take the first rational number, and to make this 10 into 60, you have to change this 10 into 60. Multiply it with 6. Because you are multiplying the denominators with 6, even the numerator should be multiplied with 6. So 3 6 are 18, plus into minus is minus, 6 tens are 60. Now similarly take the second rational number. For each number you have to repeat the same method. It is already 30, right? So you need to make it into 60. To make it into 60 you have to multiply it with 2. So plus minus into plus is minus. 13 twos are 26. 30 into 2 60. 8 by minus 20. So here to make this 20 into 60 you have to multiply it with 3. 8 threes are 24. Minus into plus is minus. 20 into 3 is 60. Right? Now all the denominators are 60. So it is very easy to compare it with the numerator. If, look here children, it is 18 by minus 60. So you can just get this minus to the numerator because it is the rational number format, right? The standard format is the negative number should not be in the denominator. It can be placed in the numerator. It is the standard rational number form, right? So we are just changing it into a standard rational number form. It is nothing but, don't get tensed. Just from the denominator, you can just change it to the numerator. I have placed as minus 18 by 60. And even here, it is 24 by minus 60. I have placed it as minus 24 by 60. Now it is very easy to compare them, right? So descending order means biggest to smallest. So among this, which is the biggest number? Minus 18 is the biggest. So minus 18 by 60 is greater than minus 24 by 60 is greater than minus 26 by 60. So just change this because we have just changed the numerator, right? Sorry, denominators, right? So before changing it, what was it? It was 3 by minus 10. So just replace all the rational numbers with the uh, without changing it, right? Without making the numerators equal, and just this is the answer. 3 by minus 10 is greater than 8 by minus 20 is greater than minus 13 by 30. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for rational numbers. Thank you.